Alright, here we are back on the equestrian trail, which is in Bear Creek Park, but as you see, it's all pines, and Madeline just loves to rock so fast. I got Malcolm back here. You remember this place, Malcolm? Keep going, you guys are fine, we'll find you. Okay, Madeline's like, okay, see ya. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, bye. Should we go find some pine cones, Malcolm? Malcolm, come on. Come on. We're coming. Looks like Malcolm found his first pine cone of the day. Yeah. Well done. Lots of pine cones. Today is I think the 20th. Monday the 20th. January. It's 72 degrees out. She's not watching where she's going. Last time we came, she got an abrasion on her cheek.
Wow. What have you got?
Malcolm has a cold. His top two molars are halfway in. He's working on his bottom one. Hi, babe. Hi, Madeline. Hi. Madeline loves to run. And run she does. So this is actually an equestrian trail. This is inside Bear Creek Park. Ian found this trail. And so we got some pines, we got lots of pines. It's just, unfortunately, it's just a very, very small area of Houston that's like this. Yeah, the public parks are just kind of scrub brush, and they do have play areas, but they're with wood chips and no shading. Yes, Madeline. Yes, Madeline. Oh, somebody left their garbage in. Be careful. Don't let them touch it. People can be pretty stupid. Just kick it away. Don't touch any of that stuff, because a lot of it can be poop rags.
I know, it's going to ping at you.
Oh, okay. Let's just keep walking this way. Just kick it. Well done, Malcolm. Let's keep walking. Well done, sweetheart.
Okay. Up here.
We'll go there this time? People aren't very smart.
Yeah. Oh, you want to hold on to Danny?
Malcolm, Malcolm, Malcolm. Let's go. He wants to go back to pick up that cup. I'm coming. My hand. Does Daddy want to videotape a little bit?
I will videotape a little bit so Mummy gets in the picture as well. Yeah. She's just so excited.
She wants everybody's hand right now.
She's just so excited.
Who's us?
Oh.
We got places to go.
And Malcolm's still carrying the pine cone. Oh. You want to hold on to Danny? You want to hold on to Danny? Okay. Wow.
Malcolm's got a pine cone. Malcolm's got a pine Take Malcolm's hand.
Some big trees here.
Whoa. I'm excited to go the other way.
Okay, let's see what they're up to. Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of them. You like being here, don't you? It's tree bark. See? There's more of it. There's a whole bunch of it. And that turns to soil and then more trees grow in it. Ah, bunch of bark. First Madeline has to get in on it. Yay! If it gets boring, you can turn it off. Bark, Dad.
Yay, bark.